In this video, I'll be covering the 5 things that you need to consider when choosing an email marketing system. Now, normally this is the part of the video where people ask for subscribes and hitting the bell notification icon. You could, of course, but what I think would be more valuable is if you actually sign up for my email marketing newsletter. You'll get information on when new videos like this are released, and then also information on when my weekly office hours are, where I answer your questions live. This video is meant to be more of an overview, and I'll be releasing videos in the coming weeks on the specifics of some of the software mentioned. So let's get started. The number one thing to consider when choosing an email marketing system is, what is your use case? If you have an e-commerce store, you're going to want something that allows you to integrate with WooCommerce or Shopify or whatever your cart system is. Some key features to look for here are shopping cart abandonment, replenishment emails, and recommended products. MailChimp is such a big player in the marketing automation world that they can offer some of these services, but you may also want to consider something that's geared specifically to e-commerce, such as Remarketing or Klaviyo. If you sell digital products, you may want to consider Infusionsoft, Ontraport, or ClickFunnels. Kartra is a brand new option from the creators of Webinar Jam, and I look forward to doing an in-depth review of this product as well. These systems can actually replace your shopping cart in some cases. If you're an affiliate marketer, you'll want to pay attention to the prohibited use cases for any platform that you choose. For instance, if you're considering MailChimp as an affiliate marketer, you can read this fuzzy language about what is not allowed, which is affiliate marketing, and what is allowed, which is affiliate links. I'm still wildly confused as to what they're talking about here. Or you can go over to GetResponse, which actually has a landing page dedicated to affiliate marketing. If you're a content creator, you may consider ConvertKit. They have features that are dedicated to bloggers and YouTubers, such as offering a content upgrade through the form submission. If you have a multi-touch sales pipeline, you might want to consider something that connects with your CRM. Some CRMs now offer marketing automation, such as Salesforce and Zoho. Some email automation systems now offer some CRM features, such as ActiveCampaign, SharpSpring, and HubSpot. A couple key features to look for here is lead scoring and syncing with your human-generated emails. Now, the second major factor to consider is integration with your existing marketing channels. This includes phone, SMS, webinars, your existing website, and your PPC marketing. Let's start with phone. If you're logging a bunch of phone calls with something like RingCentral, it would be nice to get that information back into your CRM. The CRM-first solutions like Zoho and Salesforce make that easy. Email-oriented platforms fall short as follows. With SharpSpring, you can't even look up a phone number through the search box. In ActiveCampaign, you can use the search box to look up a phone number, but you can't do it through the API to log the phone calls automatically. In HubSpot, you can place calls from within the HubSpot system, but it doesn't allow for easy integration with RingCentral. You could potentially develop your own software or use a third party because the HubSpot API does allow you to search for phone numbers. Related to phone would be SMS messaging. Many email providers allow you to have SMS access for an additional price, such as Sendinblue and ActiveCampaign. Others will allow you to connect through Zapier to Twilio, which is a SMS messaging service. If you plan on doing webinars, you might find GetResponse to be a strong value add. They provide email marketing automation as well as webinars for the same price as some companies charge just for the webinar software. If you rely on content to drive inbound traffic, then website tracking will be important to you. This allows you to see which pieces of content brought different leads in, and can allow you to adjust your content marketing priorities. Some key things to note here is that MailChimp doesn't offer website tracking. ActiveCampaign does offer website tracking, but it's only from the point in which the user submits a form. So what that means is that if they came in on a specific page and then visited a few other pages and then submitted the form, you'd only understand which page they came in from the point in history after when they submitted the form. HubSpot, Autopilot, Drip, and SharpSpring allow you to see a broader picture and connect the previously anonymous website visits with a user once they've been identified. The last thing we'll look at regarding your existing channels is your Pay-per-click marketing. If you're using AdWords, Zoho and SharpSpring have strong AdWords integrations. If you're using Facebook, there's a couple of levels of integration to consider. One is Facebook lead ads. These allow you to automatically populate the user's name and email address from a Facebook ad. Some email systems tie directly into Facebook, some require a third-party bridge. The second level of integration to consider in Facebook is the custom audiences. These allow you to take a group of emails and target them specifically on Facebook. For a custom audience to run, the minimum size is 100, but the recommended size is 1,000 because not all of your contacts are going to match up with Facebook users. ActiveCampaign, Autopilot, Drip, HubSpot, and MailChimp all offer Facebook custom audiences. The third thing that we'll look at is features. A major thing to consider is if it includes the website form or if it integrates with a third-party form. This is because this is how a majority of your email list is going to be populated. They're going to come into your website and fill out a form. So some email providers do offer form embeds and some do not. A more advanced feature when looking at form embeds is the progressive or two-step form. This is usually attached to higher price software, but is something that's available with HubSpot, Infusionsoft, ClickFunnels, Pardot, and Marketo. A natural extension to forms is landing page builders. This is something that might be included in your email software or something that you would want to use a third party for. Mobile apps might be another feature that you would want to consider. This would allow you to collect contacts on the go, review statistics, and send emails from your mobile device. MailChimp, Aweber, and GetResponse lead the pack in the mobile app functionality. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. This could be none, this could be chat, email, or phone, or a dedicated account manager. Some services that lead the pack in customer support are GetResponse with 24/7 chat support, Aweber with live phone support 7 days a week, and Campaigner with 24/7 live phone support. The fifth and last thing to consider is price. MailChimp actually has the most users because they offer an extremely generous freemium model where up to 2,000 subscribers are free. But you'll note once you get up to 10,000 subscribers that some of the differences in pricing start to even out, and most everyone's around the under $100 level. Note that the prices listed here are base prices, and some of the functionality that we have mentioned may be included in some higher packages. You'll see that HubSpot stands out because they are including a lot of other additional services compared to the other email providers. This includes landing pages, CRM, forms, and website as an all-in-one service. To download this pricing chart, visit the article at techrific.com. So now that you know what to look for, which software you choose is going to depend a lot on your use case. Refer to the text in the description below for my recommendation. Have additional questions? Leave those in the comments section below. Also comment on which solution you chose and why. And lastly, subscribe to this channel for other business software reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.